Mental health experts say that suicide is a crisis in our country, claiming more lives every year than car crashes.
But this weekend, the National Suicide Prevention Hotline will change from a 1-800 number to one more like 911. Maury Glover explains why.
For years, the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline has been a way for people with suicidal thoughts to get help. But a big change could soon make it easier for Minnesotans in crisis to connect with the hotline.
What happens isn't going to change, right? When you call, someone's going to talk to you, and if the call is taken in Minnesota, they'll refer you to Minnesota Resources. But what changes is the number.
Instead of dialing a 10-digit number to reach a trained counselor, starting Saturday, the number will be simplified to just 3 digits, 988. Mental health experts say the reason for the change is to make the number easier for people to remember, especially when they're going through a tough time.
Remembering a 9-digit number has been difficult. So across the country, people will now be able to just dial 988 and be connected with the Suicide Lifeline.
Last year, 34,000 Minnesotans called the Suicide Prevention Hotline, and mental health experts believe changing the number to 988 could result in a 25 to 30% increase in calls. But some fear more calls could get rolled to crisis centers in other parts of the country because Minnesota is one of several states where the legislature did not pass additional funding to increase capacity at crisis response centers in the state.
People might be pushed on to another call center. There might be a delay in answering that phone call.
The current Lifeline number will stay operational after 988 goes live this weekend, but mental health experts hope making the number more memorable will ultimately save more lives.
We know that if you're feeling suicidal, if you can connect with another human being and that person can actually help you feel that, there's hope in the future, here's some steps that you can take, connect you to resources, we can save a life. We can save a life.
Maury Glover, Fox 9.